Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, we're on our way to the airport dahil pupunta kami ng Bali, Indonesia. And makikita nyo yung mga gamit naman sa likod, ang gulo-gulo. And pupunta kami diretso sa parking area kasi nagbayad kami ng long term.
Where are you going, Nico? Where are you going, Nico boy? Ja. Nagsalig ang wala sa staff travel. Look, Jan is not on the, staff travel. That's why he's wearing chinelas. Jeffrey needs to wear his shoes. And me too. Jan, where are you going? Oh. Hi, Nico. Hello. Your pillow is really big. Yan guys. Hopefully matuloy kami. Mapalaw kami sa flight namin. Babalik kami bukas. Where are you going? Diba? Spurs Airport. Hi, Nico Bong. Hello, Nico. Jan. Jeffrey. 1, 2, 3. Look. Nico. Yay. You did it. Nico. Ba.
Ayan, nakapag-check-in na si Jan at kami naman ay nagstay kami sa may restaurant. Nagutom na si Nico. Ayan, tulog na nga siya dahil pagod. Maaga din kami nagising kanina. So, inaantay lang namin na makasama kami sa Bali or else bukas na kami makasakay ng third plane.
If makakasakay kami sa plane na to kasi hindi pa namin sure, but we'll see how it goes. Kasi kung puno na at hindi kami makapag-book, so uwi kami bukas na lang uli yung flight namin. At the moment, kung makakapunta kami today or ngayong hapon, so bali, pakargahin na lang namin si Nico kasi kailangan i-check in yung luggage, ay yung stroller niya. Yan si Jeffrey.
We're on our way. No pram though.
No pram, so heavy.
I'm so hot, sweating, and stressed.
Finally, guys, we're in. We're gonna go find gate 55. So like rush. Where's Tito? We're gonna find Tito. $55. This is 55. Where? Where is he? Tito is here. We don't have pram. Oh my god. Yay!
It's not permitted on board.
Just in case she wanted to say anything.
Ayan na nga guys, paalis na kami and finally makakapunta na uli kami ng Bali. This is actually first time ni Nico na pumunta ng Bali at pati rin si brother John. So first time niya pumunta din sa Bali at tuwang-tuwa siya at excited siya dahil makikita siya sa Bali. Ang mga magagandang tanawin. Charot. Ayun na nga, excited na kami. Mga 3 oras ang biyahe namin. 3 hours and 26 minutes. And then, dating kami ng Bali is around 8:30 ng gabi. At ang driver namin ay nag-aantay na rin sa amin doon para sunduin kami na si Gusti. Si Gusti ay palagi namin siyang kinukuha pag napunta kami ng Bali. At super bait at alam niya kung saan kami pupunta. Alam niya kung ang dami niyang suggestion kung saan ang mas magandang puntahan or sarap kainan o pasyalan. So, ayan guys. Ayan guys, makikita nyo sunset na. Sobrang ganda talaga ng view. Actually, si Janjan nag-video nito. So, thank you bro. Ayan, finally, tulog na ang baby boy. At need talaga niya matulog dahil mamaya pagdating namin ng Bali, gising na gising siya. So, makakatulog siya ulit kapag dating na namin sa hotel. So, good boy naman siya so far.
Hi! Welcome to Bali! Ay, nagising si baby. Hello! Welcome to Bali! There's Daddy Jeff. Nico! We're waiting for Tito Janjan. We're here in Bali. Si Nico natulog kanina pero ayan, nagising. Kasi may sumigaw kanina paglapag. Nico! Ang katugon! Nico! 1, 2, 3. Daddy's getting luggage. Aba. Uwi! Nagpula-pula naman yan, no? Finally, nakuha na namin yung pram. Tagal ng pram. Now, we're going to look for Gusti. Alright. We're looking for Gusti.
The name.
Ayan, hinahanap lang namin si Gusti. So, chinecheck namin kung may mga name na nakalagay kasi nga, sabi ko kay Gusti, ilagay yung name ni Janjan. Pero nakalimutan ko na habang nasa loob kami ng airport sa immigration, nag-send pala si Gusti sa akin ng picture kung saan siya nakatayo. So, naalala ko na nung papalapit na kami.
Jeff is looking for Gusti. Gusti is there. Look, he's there. He already took a photo of him. Hi, Nico. Nico's still awake. Nico's still awake. Hi.
Yeah, I know. But I miss.
We're here. We're just checking in. We're just checking in. All right. We're here in a room. First is the toilet and the shower. Everything is nice. That one, very cool. And you have something in here. Yep, very cool. And of course, Jeffrey. That's the first thing that he needs to do. Which is taking care of his Bia. Very, very naughty. And look at this. It's already set up when we got here. We hired this from a company here in Bali. Nico can play. I'm so happy. And this is our bed. And then we actually rented a baby cot as well, so that if Nico will sleep, then look, there's a new cover as well, so it's pretty good. Look at that, very nice. And then we hired this one as well, so that if Nico will sleep beside my bed, so hindi siya mahulog. So that's really good as well. All right, so and we have this one. Dear Miss Jeff, we are pleased to welcome you to our hotel. We hope you had a relaxing stay with you. Oh, and there's complimentary fruit. I'm excited. I'm so hungry actually. And this is the outside bit. So we'll see what's in here. So what's in here?
Is the pool? So we're at the pool.
No, we're going there, and then the outside is the pool. It's like.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very pretty. So tomorrow morning I'll take another video here because this one is dark already. So we just need to.
Got food.
Yeah. Nico! Hello! Ayan guys, mag-aayos muna kami. I'm so hungry, I need to buy food.
Good morning, guys. Oh my God. Kagigising ko lang. Late na kami nakarating kagabi. I think nakalabas kami ng airport is 9:45. And then nakarating kami dito siguro mga 10:30. Tapos nag-ayos ako ng mga gamit, and then pinatulog si Nico. Then nagpabili ako ng food kina Jan at Jeff sa labas. So tingnan mo yung mata ko magang-maga. So medyo haba yung tulog ko kasi sobrang napagod. But overall it's really good. We're so happy that we're in Bali now. Ang ganda ng view. Nandito ako sa balcony ngayon. So ang ganda ng view sa harapan ko because it's very nature. So papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Sa paglabas ng door, ito yung main door. Ayan yung upuan. So pwede dyan mag-coffee. Then yan yung sa harap. Gusto ko talaga yung ganito. Gusto ko yung mga tanim na ganito kasi sobrang refreshing. Sobrang nakaka-fresh. Ayan. And then yung pool, nandun lang yung pool. Malapit lang. As in. So, maganda. So, ayan guys. Ang ganda talaga ng place dito. Si Jan naman nasa 3rd floor. Gigising na yun maya-maya dahil susunduin siya ni Guste. At may pupuntahan sila. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And ilalagay ko dito yung pangalawang video or part 2 ng Bali namin. So, thank you so much guys. See you!